have been waiting for this one for a while, and it's finally here. Caffeine AI just launched, and it might actually change how we build software. Imagine typing or even just saying your app idea and watching it turn into a real working product. No code, no dev team, just you and the AI. We'll get into everything that happened at the first Caffeine AI Hackathon, and trust me, it was packed. And if you want to support the channel, there is donation details in the description. It keeps us going, keeps us ad-free, and helps us stay focused on bringing you the best in Web3 and AI. All right, let's get in. The first Caffeine AI Hackathon took place on 15 July 2025 at Dogpatch Studios in San Francisco, showcasing a radically simplified way of building software. Just speak your idea into existence. And this is powered by DFINITY and built on the Internet Computer blockchain. Caffeine AI offers a new interface for development where anyone who can be technical or not can build, deploy, and monetize fully functional applications through natural language alone. Hosted as part of the Hello Self-Writing Internet event, the hackathon invited 100 participants across two tracks. One track focused on developers and the other on non-developers. Each was capped at 50 people, with builders competing for a share of $90,000 worth of ICP tokens. First, second, and third place winners in each track received $25,000, $15,000, and $7,500 respectively. The day began with a keynote from DFINITY founder Dominic Williams, who presented Caffeine as a way to unlock software creation for everyone without compromising ownership or data integrity. The paradigm shift is this: he told the crowd, anyone can now build apps just by talking to an AI. He went on to demonstrate this live on stage, creating three working applications: a blog, a photo gallery, and a task manager. Notably, Williams upgraded each app during the session without losing existing user data, showing how Caffeine maintains data persistence across changes. Later, Williams returned to the stage to introduce the Caffeine app market. It's a new feature that will allow users to monetize the applications they create. In another live demo, he built a complete e-commerce site for a golf shop, integrating Stripe payments and full product management. All of it was constructed using simple natural language prompts. No manual coding was needed. The experience pods opened early in the day and drew a steady stream of attendees eager to try Caffeine for themselves. Within minutes, people were typing out prompts and watching their ideas take form. From invoicing workflows to job tracking tools, apps were being built in real time by users who in many cases had no technical background. The platform itself is built on the Internet Computer, which means that every application is decentralized, tamper-proof, and fully owned by its creator. This approach to infrastructure, where user data is not stored on third-party servers, was a recurring theme throughout the event. The emphasis on sovereignty and control was echoed again during the closing fireside chat on AI governance and safety. One of the standout discussions was titled AI Scaling as an Engine of Innovation and Growth, moderated by Com Woods. The panel included Will Stransel from Anthropic and Pierre Samatis from DFINITY. The conversation focused on Caffeine's mission to make app creation accessible to all, while ensuring the underlying infrastructure remains secure and user-controlled. As one speaker put it, the aim is to empower everyone on this planet to become a builder just by talking, but at the same time also give them the security that their software runs on an infrastructure that they can control. In the competition itself, projects from both the technical and non-technical tracks showed what is now possible when AI is used as a direct building interface. On the technical side, Road Patrol took first prize. It allows citizens to report infrastructure issues such as potholes and broken street lights using a map-based interface. Second place went to K, which scans AI-generated apps for potential vulnerabilities. SkillsProut came in third with its gamified learning platform that encourages skill development through points and achievements. In the non-technical track, the top prize was awarded to Blue Lens, a public health tool that monitors the safety of drinking water using real-time analytics and an AI-powered chat assistant. Will Maker earned second place with an app that generates legal documents such as wills and healthcare directives for California residents. Dental Tracks placed third, offering users a way to securely store and manage all their dental records in one private location. Alongside the building and judging, a panel featuring Jan Kamenisch from DFINITY, Alex Fowler from Nexus, and Adnan Dakwi from Delphinus Cyber addressed topics around decentralized security, user sovereignty, and the ethical dimensions of AI-driven software. A key insight from the session was the blurring distinction between developers and users. With AI, one panelist said, we can start to take action for things that matter to us in ways that we have not before. By the time the awards were announced in the early evening, it had become clear that participants had created tools with real-world relevance. And while the hackathon format condensed everything into a single day, the platform itself is designed for long-term use. Users who join now can begin building apps, listing them on the market, and maintaining full ownership from day one. Caffeine AI brings together AI-powered development, blockchain-based infrastructure, and a marketplace model in one integrated experience. It simplifies the act of creation while protecting the things that matter most, which are data, privacy, and ownership. For many attendees, the biggest surprise was not the technology itself, but how quickly it allowed them to move from idea to working product. Early access to the platform is now open. Invite codes will be distributed on a rolling basis, and users are encouraged to register interest at Caffeine.ai. With the platform's tools now publicly demonstrated and its first builders already shipping, Caffeine is preparing to support a growing wave of creators who don't need any coding experience to get started. And while we are talking about building, there is something else worth checking out, especially if you are in the NFT space. Origin has launched the Caffeine contest, encouraging creators to adopt the new ICRC7 and ICRC37 NFT standards on the Internet computer. There is a $100,000 USDT prize pool, and the first 10 qualifying projects will also receive 1 million OGY tokens locked for 5 years. It's all about improving interoperability and consistency for NFTs, and it's open now until 31st August. If you are working on a project that fits, you can apply by emailing your details. The email address is in the description below, so everything you need is right there. All the links of the projects are in the description below. So if you are building or thinking about it, now it's a great time to explore these tools. And again, if you found this video useful, please consider donating to support the channel. The donation detail is also in the description. It helps keep this content ad-free and community-focused. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.